everyone, I'm Jenna.
I'm Craig.
And welcome to Teacher Time. Today, Craig and I are going bowling. Today we're going to have so much fun and also teach you how to bowl. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
First, I'll teach you some of the names of the things in the bowling alley. This is a bowling ball, and those are pins. Pins are thin and tall and painted white with red stripes. There are 10 pins at the end of the lane that we need to knock down with our ball. This is the lane. You need to throw the ball down the lane and hit the pins. This is the gutter. There are gutters on both sides of the lane. You don't want your ball to go in the gutter, or else it won't hit any pins. If a ball goes in the gutter, it's called a gutterball. This is the scoreboard. The scoreboard shows how many pins we've knocked down with our balls. If you see an X on the scoreboard, that means someone got a strike. When you go bowling, you need to change your shoes. Every bowling alley has different shoes that you can borrow. Make sure that you know your size. These shoes can help you to slide around on the lanes. Next, you need to choose your bowling ball. If you're a girl and a bit weak like me, you should choose a lighter ball. But if you're a strong man like Craig, you can choose a heavier ball. Let's pick a ball. This ball is heavier than this ball. This ball is too light. This ball is perfect. I'm choosing a number 8 orange ball. You should hold your ball with the same hand you use to write. I write with my right hand. Craig writes with his left hand. The bowling ball has 3 holes for your fingers. You need to put in your thumb, middle finger, and ring finger, like this. Okay, to find out who is going to go first, we'll play rock, paper, scissors. Ready? 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Ha-ha! I'll go first. Craig has bowled more times than me, so Craig is better at bowling than me. I hope I can still win. I just got a strike. A strike means that you hit all 10 pins in your first throw. Yes. Ha! Gutter ball. Gutter ball. If you want to bowl well, you need to send your ball down the center of the lane. Don't drop it. Ready? Yay! That's called a spare. Because I got a spare, I get to play 1 extra time. Here we go. Oh, no. No. Oh! Craig got a strike. This is a funny way to bowl. Craig will do a granny shot. It's called a granny shot because you look like a grandma. Now that I've thrown my ball, where does it go? Well, there's a tunnel under the lane that will bring my ball out right here. Ta-da! I won this bowling match because I got one more pin than Craig. Good game, Craig. You played well. Wow, that was a really fun game of bowling. Did you have a good time, Craig?
Yeah, I had a great time.
Awesome. Hey, what is your favorite game to play with friends? Or what game do you often play with your friends? Take a picture and leave a comment under the video. If your comment is really good, we'll send you a special gift. Okay, Craig.
All right.
I'm getting hot. Let's go home.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.